everyone, I welcome you back to HI ROSELINE YouTube channel. In this place we embark on exciting journeys together and I share Canadian opportunities. I am Roseline and today's video is going to be a little bit different because I am diving into the world of relocation. You know what that means? That's right. I'm preparing for a big move. I'm prepping and I want to take you along for the ride. And you know that moving can be both exhilarating and overwhelming, from deciding what to take with you to bidding farewell to your current space. Every step of the process is a unique adventure. And what better way to document this chapter of my life than by sharing it with all of you? So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates on my journey. Now let's get started on this adventure together. So this was few days to our relocation and we decided to go to Ajman fish market. Ajman is one of the Emirates in United Arab Emirates. I know everybody knows Dubai. Dubai is also one of the Emirates, but I reside in Ajman. So this is Ajman fish market. You can see different fishes, different colors, different sizes. There are different kinds and types of fishes here. If you want to buy fish, this is a good place to go, Ajman Fish Market. So we got ourselves some fishes and some prawns that could last us for the remaining few days before the relocation. And afterwards, I decided to show you the beautiful oceanic scenery behind the fish market, and here it is. Is this not beautiful? Talking about the blue sky, the water body, beautiful, neat, clear water body, neat environment, and everything. I love nature. And I know most people love nature too. I do love nature. I love everything beautiful. Looking at the tall buildings, looking at the serenity, the calmness. I can stay here for a long time. Like I love beautiful things. I love being in a cool atmosphere. I love to see the birds and everything. It was calming. It's a nice place to behold, and that's why you can see people sitting down there and just watching, enjoying themselves, enjoying the calmness, enjoying the serenity, the birds and everything. This is beautiful. Ajman is a beautiful place. Yes, indeed it is. At this point, I really don't know what I was doing. I think I was just trying to test the zoom capacity of the phone. And yeah, it zoomed that far and it's still clear. So what phone do you think I'm using? Which phone can do that kind of zooming? Type it in the comment section. Are you enjoying the vlog? If you really are, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any updates on my journey. I tell you, more videos will keep coming and coming. Opportunities for Canadian immigration, Canadian opportunities, life in Canada, things you need to know before making the move. This is the channel for you. HI ROSELINE YouTube channel. Yeah, that is. After leaving the fish market, we decided to branch one of the malls, which is the Middle East, and here you can get things relatively cheap, ranging from 1 dirham to 10 dirham. And you know, we are coming to Canada in winter, so we need to get everything necessary. You know, the tiger balm. We already got our body key and the rub. We decided to add, you know, tiger balm to get the Vaseline and every other necessity. Moving to the clothing section, we needed to get some hand gloves, caps, those woolen caps, and other necessities like thick socks, which you are still going to see in the video. This is the hand glove and I love that so much. I remember picking that black one. Yes, I did pick that, yes, because I love it. It's thick and it's just plain black. I can use it for any combination of clothing that I'm going out with, right? So I picked that black and I picked some others for myself, my husband and my daughter. Then moving forward, we went to get the cap and other things that we knew we were going to need. Ahead, we got ourselves some indoor slippers, indoor footwear, and then some thick socks. I love these thick socks. I love that it is padded. I love that it is thick. I love that it is furry inside, so it can help with, you know, keeping us warm even in the cold. And we got some. I really hope that you're enjoying the vlog as much as I enjoyed filming this. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have a comment, if you have questions, drop it in the comment section. I am here, right here. I would respond. Enjoy the vlog, please. At this point, we are going to check out and to make the payments. Thank you very much for watching this far. I love you and anticipate the next video and other subsequent videos. I wish you the best and I love you so much. Roseline loves you. Remain blessed. Bye.